Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are on our way to East London Triumph here in Romford. They are hosting an open day with bikes and talks and free food, things that would definitely get me out on the bike to go and visit a dealership. Bikes, free food. So off we go. It's autumn and the leaves are falling off the trees, and yeah, well, let's go and check out what the latest offerings are from Triumph. I've had my eye on the Tiger Sport 800 for a while. I haven't booked a test ride, I just haven't had time, but I see that Richard and Carol on the Bandit Man UK channel, they've bought a matching pair of Tiger Sport 800s, and very fetching they are too, in his and hers colours, blue and yellow. And they've been putting out some very informative videos on the bikes, and they seem to like them. Stay there. So yeah, but I want to see what else they have to offer. I haven't really kept up with the ranges, and I need to start doing my research because I'm planning to go to EICMA, to the show, and see what I can find there. And I'm still, you know, you guys are more than welcome to give me suggestions of things to look at while I'm there, things that you're interested in, questions you want answered, and if I can, I will. It's not very far from where I live to Triumph East London. Come on, you can fit a bus through there. So it really is just over there. It looks very busy. Looks very busy. Can we park the bike? I think we have to park it outside. Let's find some place to put my net up. There we go. That will do, pig. That will do. Quite a nice event. Lots of entertainment, even for the kids. That's a great way to get the punters in, isn't it? Offer free food. Some music going on as well. We've got this bobber with a custom paint job that looks quite nice. I heard it, they turned it on earlier on, and it makes a tremendous noise from that exhaust. White wall tyres. Nice custom job here on this one. Obviously protecting it from the rain. I've got all sorts of visitors here today. They have the new TF 450E as well. That looks very tall. Some Triumph clothing on sale. We've got the big Tiger GTs over here. So tall. Yeah, too tall and big for me, I think. Not really the style of the bike I like anyway. Those big adventure-y, hey. big adventure bikes. This is more my speed. These look quite good. Oh, pick that up. So it was a all right event, quite a good way of getting the punters into the door, isn't it? Offer them free food and put on some music and stuff. Enter them for a raffle, and yeah, and quite a few people in attendance. We're offering some discounts on clothing and some special deals on bikes. So I hope they do well. I don't think there's anything in the range that I like other than the Tiger Sport 800, so I'll have to give them a call when they're not so busy and try to arrange a little test ride. But I think it's now time to pop back home, and there's quite a lot of stuff to be done this weekend. Got a new screen for my computer, got a new desk for the office, I got some networking stuff to do, so yeah, busy. Thanks very much for coming along, and let me show you around the Triumph East London Autumn Barbecue. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll see you in the next one. For now, this is NooBiker.